Kirby. Uy, naagawan. That hit the foot of Kelly Williams. Napulot naman ni Ralimi.
Shot clock.
Ayun, hindi niya nakita. Hindi nakita ni Ralimi. Then their shot clock was about to expire. At medyo naghintay pa siya bago ipasa eh. Aba, magka-3 minuto na tayo. 2-0 pa rin ang score. Wilson from the outside. Jondan Salvador takes care of the rebound. Out of this is James Yap. Ralimi. Bad pass. And this one is going to be a turnover.
The first couple of games na nandito si Reda Ralimi really didn't get a lot of touches at the post. Very surprised. Here in this game, first 3 offensive sets ng Pure Foods, hawak agad kay Ralimi and trying to establish that low post game.
Dennis Espino. Wilson. Reyes looking inside. Finds Dennis Espino for the turnaround shot. And look at Brian Reyes take that away from Ralimi. Quick pass to Wilson. Good fake. Good block. Tumama pa raw kay Wilson. Sabi ni referee Aldama. Yun ang masakit. Double black eye. Ito, makikita ninyo, pinahirap na kayong tira. Tinabot pa rin sa haba ng kamay nito si Ralimi.
May referee saying that it was just a fishing expedition at walang pag-asa yung tira ni Wesley Wilson.
Jondan Salvador trying to keep it alive. He picks it up. Ayun, fishing expedition. Ang dami kumagat, tapating.
Pero pangalawang pagkakataon na si Jondan Salvador out-hustling Dennis Espino at the post and getting an offensive rebound. Already 2 offensive rebounds for Jondan.
All right, 2 shots coming up para kay Jondan Salvador.
This.
4-0 lead para sa Pure Foods.
This is the captain speaking.
Tatlong kalahating minuto na, hindi pa nakakascore ang Santa Lucia Realty. Pinag-usapan natin na kanina yung depensa ng Pure Foods. It is obviously working, and here they needed an offensive foul para makalusot sana si Kelly Williams, pero naspatan ni referee Cañizares.
Now you mentioned Pure Foods only allowing 81 points in their last 3 ball games. And alam naman natin Santa Lucia, more accustomed and mas gusto nila pag yung they were able to cause turnovers and get into fast break situations. Pure Foods at this point forcing itong Santa Lucia into half-court sets.
At dito naman, set for tat, offensive foul din. Ang tinawagan is James Yap.
Para kay James Yap. Ikaw na naman, Denok Miranda na naman babantay sa kanya. Ryan Reyes tsaka si Joseph Yo. Remember, those 3 guys alternating James Yap in the finals.
Kelly Williams. Denok Miranda. Reyes inside to Wilson. Gusto nila talaga si Wilson ng bigyan ng bigyan. Trying to test the mettle of Reda Ralimi. So far, that hasn't worked. Well, hey!